My name is Anis and I'm enrolled on the LAT Level 5 diploma, fully on campus. I've chosen LAT because I've done many courses online before LAT. I didn't have any real success doing them. And the main reason why I've chosen LAT was because they offer a fully on-campus course in proper trading floor, proper tutors that could give you advice while you're trading, and not only technical advice about your trading, but also psychological advices. While studying here at LAT, I definitely improved my confidence while trading for many reasons, because I was surrounded by fantastic tutors, helped me in my technical analysis, and also the course is very dense, but I managed to get into it and to learn all the theory behind it. The application of this theory, like having tutors along your side, is massively helpful because they can give you advices from their personal experience. Yeah, I would definitely recommend LAT to anyone who's interested in financial markets.